Now that we have created a menu, now we know what pages are and what posts are. What we'll do is we are going to change the look and feel, the layout of the website. Right now, your website looks very simple, very bland, and it doesn't have any shape or a professional touch to it. Okay, so let's try and add a professional touch to it. Let's try and make it look more professional, like digital dum. So can you see I have posts on the left hand side, I have a sidebar on the right hand side, at the top I have a menu, but in this case everything is so jumbled and so white that the things don't make any sense. There are no boundaries, there is no structure to it. So let me just show you how to add structure and layout to the website. Now in order to do this, we need to add themes, we need to work on themes. So you will go to the backend, and in the appearance section you will go to themes. Remember, in appearance section the beautification of the website takes place. All these are used to make the website more beautiful and add more functionality look wise. So go to appearance and themes. These are the current themes that you have installed. The one that you're using is 2019. Can you see active? This is the theme that you're using. At a time you can use only one single theme. Now if you want to add a new theme, there are two ways. One is you can go to add new and you can use a free theme. Additionally, you can go to websites like Theme Forest and Elegant Themes. You can purchase themes and upload it over here. First, let me show you how to add a new theme for free. You'll select add new, and WordPress has a very huge inventory of themes. Can you see? It doesn't stop here, but when you scroll the page keeps on loading. Okay, so let me just show you a few things about themes. At the top you will find popular, latest, some filters, but I suggest you go for feature filter, and it will give you some filters based on subject, features and layout. What kind of layout you want? You want two columns, one column, one sidebar. Two columns means two sidebars, one column means one sidebar. So what kind of a layout do you want? You want sidebar on the right, sidebar on the left, and accordingly he'll suggest you the themes. What is it that you're trying to create the website for? You're trying to create a blog, you're trying to create an e-commerce website, educational, entertainment, food and drinks. What is it that you plan to create? So assume that I plan to create an education based website. So let me select education, and I won't be selecting these because I'm okay with any of the options as long as the website looks good and it's functional. Select the apply filters option. Now WordPress will suggest you all the themes which he feels might be relevant for or useful for creating a educational website. And these are the themes that are recommended by WordPress. Now look at this. I'm scrolling. The page keeps on loading. Look at the bar over here. Okay. So I'm scrolling. So there are so many themes that you can use. This doesn't stop, right? You'll get tired just by navigating through the interface of WordPress, just by navigating through the themes that are available on WordPress. So this is just a preview that if you use this theme, this is how your website might look like. Okay, but again, sometimes what happens is in the free version, they might not look exactly the same. So always you need to first experiment, understand what all things are available for free if you plan to use it for free, and then you can go ahead and make a decision of using a theme. So I'll select details and preview before installing. You can preview the theme. So I'll select preview and always go through the description on the left hand side. Okay, and so this is what it looks like, very bland, very simple. But once you start customizing the theme, it might look something like this. If you want to go back, you will hit the cross arrow. If you want to install the theme, you can install it. I'll close it, and let us start with one basic theme which I personally like. It looks basic but it's quite interesting. I had created a website, uh, Anaya Tours, using this theme, the same theme. So the theme that we are going to use is Sydney. Okay, and This is the Sydney theme. Look at this. With zero coding skills, I was able to create this from scratch. Itinerary, contact to capture information. Can you see? Navigation bar, the menu. So believe me, all this is going to change very soon. Okay. So itinerary. So this is what they had on day one. They would offer these things. On day two, you would be doing all these things. On day three, you would be doing all these things. So this is the itinerary that they offer, and you can create these tabs as well with the help of plugins, which we'll explore very soon. This is also a plugin. You can have other options in the menu. Okay, you can have an about us section. In addition to that, you can have a contact us section as well. Can you see? You can add a form, you can integrate form over here and capture leads. So basically you can convert your website traffic into leads. And this theme also offers you breadcrumbs. Can you see? Breadcrumbs is nothing but your path. This indicates your path. From home page, you have landed on the contact us page. If you want to move back to the home page, you will select the home button and it brings you back to the home page. So breadcrumbs are very important, very essential, and they help a lot in your SEO as well. So let me show you how to install themes and what this theme can do. So the theme that we are going to learn is Sydney, Sydney. It is the same theme that I have used for Anaya Tours. So we have two themes, Hotel Sydney and Sydney. I recommend the one which says only Sydney. Install the theme. Once a theme is installed, you can activate the theme. Now, can you see 2019 was active first. Now Sydney is the theme that is active. Okay. Now only the theme that is active can be customized. So if you want to customize the theme now, you can hit the customize button from here or from this area. But let us go to the front end and look at our website now. This is the front end. Refresh the page once. Can you see the look and feel has changed slightly? The color has changed. Look at the menu. Now it looks more professional. You have an image at the top. This is the courses page. So the website is starting to take some shape now. And that is how you install a theme.